Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be talking about the game bar on Windows 11. So a lot of people, they are saying that the Windows 11 game bar is better than the Windows 10, and unlike the Windows 10, the game does not glitch out or have any frame drops. Well, for me, honestly, I still don't like the Windows game bar. So now if I just go over here and honestly, I just have to search in game bar. As you see, it's an app now, and I believe I have it. I don't really use it. As you can see, I never updated it. I haven't really done anything regarding this. Capturing is disabled. I've got everything disabled. I just don't really use it as much as other people. There are a few people that love to use this, but me on the other hand, I'm really against it. So what do I use? I use, since I have an NVIDIA RTX 3060, I use the NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Now, if you have an AMD graphics card, I would say use the Relive. It's something like AMD has another app, use that app. But if you are using the Intel built-in GPU, as in Intel built-in graphics, yeah, then I guess you guys are really out of luck. You'll either have to use something like Metal. I would honestly say Metal is 100 times better than the Windows Xbox game bar. So yeah, use Metal instead. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.